Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shoail Azari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you an amazing magic trick with any money bill. In today's trick you're going to learn how to do the finger through money, and what's good about it is you can borrow the money bill from your spectator as well as it's impromptu, so you can perform it anywhere. This is a very easy trick, but it's also visual when performed correctly. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so here's how you do this trick. First of all, you're going to borrow any money bill from your spectator, irrespective of currency. You can perform this with any money bill. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold the money bill like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to place your index finger over here, and then you're going to fold the rest of the money bill like this. So while doing the penetration, your index finger is over here and you're going to do this 1, 2, and on the third time you're opening up your middle finger, and from the front it looks like this. 1, 2, it looks like that your index finger has penetrated the bill. So that's how you do the penetration effect. After that, while coming back like this, you are again going to close your middle finger just like this, and you're going to close it very fast like this. So when you do like this, the audience will actually think that you've actually penetrated the bill with your index finger. And while coming out, if you close the middle finger fast, your audience will see just the index finger coming out like this. So that's the illusion that you have created, that you have actually penetrated the bill with your index finger. But in actual reality, there's no penetration that has happened and the bill is actually safe. Then you're going to open up the bill like this to your audience, and you're going to show to them that nothing has happened to the bill, but you have actually penetrated your index finger through the bill. So that's how you do this finger through money bill magic trick. So I hope you enjoyed learning this finger through money bill magic trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shoail_Azari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.